A global feed hums as a small algorithm reshapes a forgotten photo and a looping beat into a cultural spark across continents. Creators chase these synthetic sparks, studying timing, relatability, and surprise, while the AI adapts them for every platform. Behind each trend, data whispers what audiences want next, turning ideas into highly shareable micro moments. Brands test AI curated visuals that feel personal yet fresh, inviting viewers to pause, laugh, and share. The real magic is humans guiding machines to craft meaning without losing heart.